Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to see how to use the check constraint. The check constraint ensures that the values in your column satisfy a specific condition. This is your table and we are going to apply a check constraint on salary column, and these values need to be between 1000 and 100,000. Let's see how to do that using SQL syntax. This is your table for creating table, and earlier we work on not null and unique constraints on these three columns. Now here we will be working on check constraint on the salary column. So you mention your salary column name, then what is the data type, and after that you write a check keyword and the condition you mention inside the parenthesis, and you try to mention your salary which is between 1000 and 100,000. So these are the two keywords, and you write your initial range and after that you write your maximum range. This is how you mention the condition. If someone wants to just write some other condition, you can just do that using again check keyword, and let's say your salary needs to be greater than, let's say, 30,000. This is the another condition. So in this way you can write the different conditions using your check constraint. That's all for this slide. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye bye.